Sending all the good vibes to you. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying something new. Keep watching. I'm using the most discarded t-shirt of mine. I don't know when I bought it. I think 3 years back. I recently saw a reel in which a lady was making a handbag using a t-shirt, discarded t-shirt. So I thought of trying this out. Let's see how it turns out. Now I'm just struggling to cut the cloth. I was not planning to shoot this first attempt of mine. Then I thought, why not? So I just started capturing all the moments, all the steps, and I just sat on the floor and started following all the steps that she was doing. I was still struggling to cut the cloth. Awkward shy me is getting comfortable to come into the camera. I don't know how I shot this. It's too raw, I guess, but I like it. I saw a quote that day and it stated something like, if you don't push yourself into uncomfortable situations, you're never evolving. I'm trying my best to evolve. I hope you are getting all the steps. These are very easy steps, that's why I'm not explaining any. Firstly, you just cut off all the sleeves, both the sleeves, and then cut around you towards the neck part, and then start slitting at the bottom. And lastly, we'll just tie knots into the bottom. So far it is looking good. It's turning out the way her one turned out. I don't know what will happen at the end. I'm very scared of trying new things because I'm very scared of failing. I hope I don't fail. Even if I do, it's okay. It's the first time I'm trying it, but still that's a disappointing feeling in my heart that stays for a very long time. But now I'm trying to learn new things through new methods, and it's going to be a very rough medium for my paints at the end, so I don't know will I be able to paint or not. Here I'll make braids, so I'm just cutting off 3 sections. The extra I'll cut them off at the end. Before I hit my teenage, I was a very crafty girl. After I just turned 15, I guess, I became so less creative. These things didn't even give me any sense of happiness. So I just left all the crafty things that I used to do before. I'm happy that I'm trying something like this today. Here I'm scared that the handle is going to be really small for me, so I don't know what to do here. I'll just go like this only because she was doing the same. I hope the length will be okay at the end. I don't know if I'll ever use it. Oh my god, I'm struggling to tie a knot also. Yeah, we'll figure this out. It looks bad, so I just attached another piece of cloth and tied 2-3 knots around that particular part because it was looking very unsturdy. I don't know if I am showing it in the video, but I have done that. And now I'll paint the back side because the front side has those writing stuff, so I'll just paint the front side. And this is my amma's, what do we say, I don't know, embroidery something. And then I'll paint on it. Yeah. Firstly, I thought that I will just paint a starry night or a boho painting on it, and then I saw the surface or the medium. It was so rough and so, I don't know how to explain it. So I just thought of painting simple flowers on it because I was getting disappointed because it was not turning out the way I wanted it to turn out, and it didn't even turn out the way her one turned out. Oh, so I was very disappointed and sad. It's okay. That's why I just completed it with no finish or anything. I just thought, let me just finish the task that I gave myself today. So yeah. The background music of my colony ka bachas, so sorry for that. I just painted yellow and red flowers inside this circle only, so that at the end there's a circle inside which there's a lot of flowers. It looks pretty, at least. And this is how it looks. Do share your valuable comments, and thank you so much for watching.